Hi, I'm Chef Andrew McGee, and I'm an instructor here at the Culinary Academy, Las Vegas. We hope you'll be able to join us Tuesday, December 10th at 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. here at our new location at the Culinary Academy of Las Vegas. For this installment of the Healthy Cooking class, we're going to be doing mustard and cranberry crusted pork loin with roasted garlic mashed cauliflower and sauteed kale with balsamic vinegar. So we're going to be doing some really simple things, some really easy adjustments that we can make to our everyday diet, our everyday lifestyles that could, in the long run, have a helpful benefit. For more information or to sign up, please call 702-691-5665. Once again, 702-691-5665. Thanks for watching. See you on the 10th.